Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Sonya, so welcome. This is now my second YouTube video, so today we're going to be doing just a makeup tutorial. On Instagram, I did ask you guys if you wanted to see like another get ready with me or my boyfriend does my makeup. Actually, most of the votes were my boyfriend does my makeup, so unfortunately today we won't be doing that. We're gonna have to find the time to do it. He's busy, I'm busy, like we don't really have the same work schedule, so when we do have like a lot of free time, we will do one. I'm gonna have to force him to do it, but yeah, so we'll do that. Today we're gonna be doing this heat has been like horrible, so I want to do something like super light on the skin, like really glowy, dewy, like healthy looking, and like maybe for the eyes like a bronzy look. So we can get started on that. I already moisturized. I actually did order myself a couple of things from Sephora. I know I shouldn't have, but I did. I ordered a bunch of stuff. I heard like really good things about the new Veil translucent setting powder by Hourglass, so I was like, okay, I need to try that, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna try that today. This is like kind of like first impressions too, because like there's some things that I've never tried, like this powder. Okay, and then I needed some new primers too. So there's always one that I always go back to is the who's this from? First Aid Beauty. Does that make sense? Yes. First Aid Beauty. This is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And it's good for sensitive skin. And honestly, I love, love, love this primer. I always go back to it. I remember I got it as like a sample. It smells so good. I find it actually makes my skin like look super like blurred out in a way. Like almost glowy. And then I ordered a new one, which was like, hey, I want to try this. So, like, I saw the reviews and it was like really good because I love to look like glowy. So this is a foundation primer, Radiance by Laura Mercier. So I think we're going to use this today. So I guess this is just supposed to illuminate my skin, which is what we're going for today in today's look. So for foundation, what we're going to use is, I really don't want like a lot of coverage. So I'm actually going to use the Face and Body by MAC. And the shade is NC3, because why not? And okay, so we have this on. I do want a little bit more coverage, just a tad. So I am going to go with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just kind of like give myself a little more coverage. And also I do have a bit of redness, so I don't find it actually covers my redness. So I just want to put some on my cheeks here. And, oh my god, I keep squirting everywhere. Okay, I'm just going to use a little bit of the lighter one. Just a bit, like. This is basically what I do for the skin. If I want like a nice like dewy, like glowy look, just to add maybe a bit more, I'm just going to use the Fix Plus in Gold Light. I'm actually going to be doing my eyebrows, and I'm just going to prime my eyelids, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I did my brows, and I also primed my eyelids. And then I went outside. Oh my god, it's so hot outside. Oh my god, sorry, my chair keeps twirling. Okay, so we can get started on the eye look. And I'm telling you, this look is so easy to do, like a really simple look. You know, in the winter, what is going on? In the summer, you don't want to be wearing a lot of heavy makeup. I'm gonna take the eyeshadow Saddle by MAC. This is a very warm brown, and I absolutely love it. Like, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna make sure you guys see. So I'm just gonna really put it in the crease. Remember blending. If you blend in circular motions, that will help. So we're going to do the same thing to this eye. It's literally a look of like 2 eyeshadows, I'm telling you. Super easy. I like to take the Shadow Nylon by MAC as well. So I'm going to use this shadow to highlight my brow bone. This is the shadow I use all the time. So now what I like to take is the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. This one. We're going to take this bronzy shadow right here. You guys can see. It's called Molasses Chip. I find this is like the perfect like bronzy shadow. I'm gonna just dip into it. And whenever I use a shimmer, I always use Fix Plus. You don't have to, but I find it just intensifies the shadow even more. So I'm gonna use my Coconut Fix Plus by MAC. Spritz that, and then we're gonna apply that. Okay, so just like this. Very simple. You see? So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add some mascara, and I'm going to add some lashes as well. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. And then I'm going to use the Extreme Dimension mascara by MAC. So mascara's on. You actually see my lashes. I always use a curler just because my lashes kind of fall down and they don't really curl up. So I always use a curler. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just add a bit of concealer. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, so we have our concealer on. Now we're gonna try the powder. Okay, so yeah, this is the Veil Translucent Setting Powder by Hourglass. I heard amazing things about this powder. Like that it's not like a matte finish, but it's kind of like a natural finish. Oof, I'm excited for this. So, I think in Canada it retails for, I think like, if I'm not mistaken, like $55 or $56. And I was like, ooh. Crap, that's expensive for powder. Actually, I like it. I'm kind of impressed. Wow. The only thing is the price. It's like, oh my god. So now I'm just gonna take some of my the Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in medium golden by MAC. This has a natural finish too. I'm just mixing it with a bit of bronzer just because when I tan, I don't tan on my face. Like my face is like super white and I don't understand. I sound so aggressive, I'm sorry guys. I'm gonna apply some lashes now. I'm gonna be applying the the Velour Silk Lashes, and trust me, try it. So you can leave this look just like with mascara. I'm just gonna be extra and I'm gonna add some lashes. Okay guys, so I applied my lashes. They're not too dramatic. Now we're gonna get into bronzing. I'm gonna use 2 bronzers. So the first one I'm going to use is, this one was from a collection. This one is the Studio Sculpt Defining Bronzing Powder in Delphic by MAC Cosmetics. So we're going to go with this one first. Looks like this. I just want to add some warmth to my skin. The second thing I'm going to go with is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So this I'm going to use just to kind of like contour a bit. Just to add more like definition. Just going to apply it over here. Just going to contour my nose a bit. So now I'm going to go with blush. I'm not sure which one I'm going to put. So just to like add more glow to our skin, I'm going to use the Extra Dimension Blush Just a Pinch by MAC. So many MAC products. This one is like not, it's more of a glow. It's really just glowy. Like it almost looks like a highlight, but just with like a tint in it, you know? And this one is more peachy. I love peach blushes. Now we're gonna go with some highlight. So of course, I'm gonna have to apply the Amrezy highlighter again with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I find it just kind of goes with the look. Sorry, I know I should use something different, but I can't. I'll use another highlighter on top, just to be fair. I'll just add a touch of the Hyper Real Glow by MAC as well. I think I might just use the middle one over here. I just kind of want to cut the cheeks now. I'm going to go back with my Hourglass powder. Okay, so we're just going to let that sit a bit. In the meantime, I'm going to take that eyeshadow that I used in my crease, and I'm going to be putting that in the lower lash line. I'm going to wipe this off now. So I'm just going to highlight my inner corner now. I think I'm going to use the Hyper Real Glow instead of Nylon. So I think I'm going to probably just mix like this one, whoops, the first one and like the darker one just a bit. Okay, so I did the inner corner. Wow, I'm feeling this look. So now I'm just going to use the Fix Plus, the coconut one. Just going to set everything. And I'm going to be using another setting spray. This is the Illuminating Setting Spray by Cover FX. So now I'm just going to be popping some mascara on my bottom lashes. Girl, we're looking glowy. Now we're going to choose a lip color. So I want to go for a nude. I think it would just fit. So first thing I'm going to use Lip Pencil Cultured by MAC. The lipstick I'm going to be using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Stripped. So this is a nice nude. And then I want to put a bronzy like gloss on top. So I'm going to be using the Lip Gloss by MAC in Oh Baby. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Oh, I'm really digging it. Okay, so there's another thing I wanted to try. I got a sample from Sephora. It's the... I'm really bad at pronouncing things. Okay, we'll just skip that part. You guys probably know what it is. I just started opening it. It's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I actually saw a YouTuber use that. Oh god, that was a bit much. So I guess you just put this all over the chest and you're supposed to look gluey. Oh my, it smells really good. What? Another thing I'll use is the MAC Strobe Body Lotion. This is like, I wear this all the time. Every time I go to work or I go out, I literally drench my body in this. I just love to look glowy. On the body too. Oh yes! Whoa! Okay, so you know what else we're gonna do? We're just gonna go all out, okay? So now I'm gonna take my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. Whatever, just ignore that. Oh, children. Oh wow. Oh wow. Anyways, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to get notified every time I upload, there is a button of a bell, so you can click that. And yeah, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!